Hello everyone. Welcome to NDAC YouTube channel. This is Babu. Today in this video we are going to see episode 3 of Dataflow's complete overview learning series. So we are dedicatedly running a playlist for Dataflow's learning. So as part of that, previously we completed two episodes. In two episodes we given a overview about what are data flows and what is Dataflow Gen 1, and there will be one practical video, practical episode about Dataflow Gen 1. So if you missed that, I would request you please go back and watch those videos. We will provide those links in this video description. Okay, fine. Now today we are on the episode 3. Here we are mainly focusing on Dataflow Gen 2. So we will follow this agenda in this today's video. So now let's jump into the Microsoft Fabric environment. Now here if you see, this is my Microsoft Fabric environment. So here first what I will do, let me go and create a new workspace. So now let me give this as a data flows series workspace. So now here make sure that you need to select Fabric trial, so then only it will allow you to create Fabric workloads. So now let's click apply. Now it is created a brand new workspace. So in this video what we will do, uh, we will first create a data flow Gen 2. How you can create? If you click on this new item, so you will see a window on right side of your screen. So from this you can go and search for data flows. So see, data flow Gen 1. So it is already, I clearly explained in the episode 2. It is, they officially marked it as a legacy. It means maybe the retirement announcement not yet rolled out, but maybe we may expect in 2027 they are going to retire this data flow Gen 1. Okay, so now the advanced version is data flow Gen 2. Oh, the advanced version is data flow Gen 2. Okay, so here what I will do, let me go and click on this data flow Gen 2. Now here it is started creating the data flow Gen 2. So it is asking to give a proper name. So for this what I will do, let me go and give a proper name, sample data flow Gen 2. Okay, sample data flow Gen 2. Let's click on create. Now when I click on create, now it is started creating the sample data flow Gen 2. Okay, now in this video what we will do, we will load data from some open data source. So before that, here if you see, if you are working as a Power BI developer, you might be thinking, somewhere I seen this kind of user interface. Yes, of course, I agree. So it is none other than your Power Query editor component in Power BI desktop. See here, if you see home, transform, add column, view, the similar kind of user interface. Okay. See, now here you can see we can get the data from different connectors, but on the user interface it is showing few connectors, which is you can directly import from Excel, you can directly import from your SQL server, and you can bring the data from your CSV files. You can use your existing data flows also, and there is one new update, this is run mapping data flow transformations. Those who are familiar with ADF, Azure Data Factory, this component very famous in Azure Data Factory. Okay, all right. Now these are the few connectors. You may ask, while in previous episode you are telling that it would support 200 plus connectors. Where was the 200 plus connectors? Yes, don't worry, we will go and see by clicking on the get data from another source. If you click on this, now here you can see Copilot, new, recent and my queries, one like catalog, Azure, upload, blank table, blank query. See, if you are good at M language, directly you can paste your M language and you can connect it. And if you are going and entering some data directly here, you can go and enter. If you would like to upload some data directly, you can upload from your local machine. So now go to the home. Here new sources. Let's see. Let me click on this view more. The moment if I click on view more, wow, here you are able to see all the connectors. The one thing which I like in Microsoft Fabric especially, see, here we are able to see all the connectors, and moreover they are making our work very easy by providing the different sub tabs. It means they are categorized into these connectors into different sub tabs. Let's go and see what is what. If I click on file, now here you can see the files related connectors, which is folder, SharePoint folder, Parquet file, Excel file, PDF file. Okay, now let's see database. Okay, here in database you are able to see most of the connectors. See SQL Server, Google BigQuery, Azure Databricks. Okay, see some SAP BW connector, PostgreSQL. See here you are able to see all the database connectors which is supported to pull the data in Dataflow Gen2. Okay, fine. Now let's go and see Microsoft Fabric. Here you can see data flows, warehouse, lakehouse, and there are three connectors which is still in the preview stage. What is meant by preview here? It means they are still working on it. You can go and use for your testing purpose, but don't go and use in the production environment. All right. Now let's go and click on Power Platform. Here you can see Power BI data flows legacy one, CDS, Dataverse, data flows, and there is some Dataverse data lakes. It is still in the previous stage. Okay, all right. Now let's click on the Azure. See here, if you see, if you are familiar with the Azure, it is showing all the blob storage and SQL database, Synapse and Cosmos DB. So some other connectors also it is showing. All right. Now let's go and click on online services. If you see in these online services, most of the connectors are there. Here you can see SharePoint famous list, SharePoint online list, Salesforce object. So and here most of the connectors are in the preview stage. If you see this one, Dynamic 365, Intune data warehouse, Team Desk, these are in the preview stage. Okay, fine. Let's see last one, which is other. So now here you can see we are able to see most of the connectors from the others. Web API. Oh, you can get the data from directly by using the web API, web API and web page. And here if you see there is some fact set, there are few other connectors also is there. So from this, in this video, what we will do, we will go and pull the data from one thing which is called OData. What is meant by OData? OData is nothing but open data connector which will pull the data from any open data sources. Like it will act as a bridge between your source and destination. It will act as a bridge between your source and destination. Now here if I go here, there is something which is catch in my eye, which is OData. It is in the some orange color. It is here. So let's click on this. The moment if I click on this, now what's happening, it is asking to fill a form. Now it is asking to fill a form. Okay, now here you need to give the URL. See already there is a open data which is Northwind data. So let me go and use this URL. Don't worry, I'll share this URL in this video description. Let me go here. Let's paste it here. See now everything, don't change anything, go with the default settings. Let's click on the next. The moment if I click on next, it is connecting to data source. So let's wait few minutes. Okay, now here if you see, we are able to see lot of tables in this open source. We are able to see lot of tables, like here if you see categories, current products, customers, employees, orders details, there are. So from this what I'll do one thing. let me take customers. Let's see what is there in this. Customer ID, company name. Okay, basically this is a some customer transactions data. Customer transactions data. Okay, fine. Let's go and take orders. Now here from orders, here we will get customers order details like who is the customer, what is the employee ID, when he was ordered, by when he required, ship date and ship via. There are some key freight and shipping name, who is the vendor of the shipper, like this. Here we will get the all the details. Okay, what I'll do, let me load these two files by, we'll do some cleaning in the Dataflow Gen2. Let's click on create. Now the moment when I click on create, now here if you see, it is directly open the data in the your Dataflow Gen2, which is, I'll call this as a online Power Query editor. See, currently it is selected. If I on over here, see the data source is OData. Again, if I click, now the data source is OData. So it is showing the two values. It is showing the two values. Here also it is showing the values. Here also it is showing the table view. Basically, here we are on the schema view. That's why we are able to see this. Okay. Now what I will do, let's stop here. How we will do the cleaning steps and transformation steps in the next episode. So what I will do, let's stop here. So please like, share, comment this video. Please subscribe NDAC YouTube channel. Thank you all for watching this video. Let's meet in episode 4.